Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today, you'll be learning more Filipino adjectives that are commonly used. Knowing them can help you get around in the Philippines, and using them can make being around some locals more fun. Let's start with Mahaba. This is long in English. Ma-ha-ba. Mahaba. 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 Mahaba ang damit ko. May mahabang jacket. Mahaba na ba ang suot ko? The opposite is maikli. This translates to short. Ma-ik-li. Maikli. 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 Maikli yung palda. Maikli ang suot mo. Maikli ba talaga? Another is makapal. This is thick in English. Ma-ka-pal. Makapal. 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 Makapal ba yung jacket mo? Makapal itong kumot. Makapal ba? The opposite is manipis. This means thin. Ma-ni-pis. Manipis. 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 Manipis masyado yung jacket mo. Hindi naman masyadong manipis. Manipis ba? Then, there's Malaki. This translates to big. Ma-la-ki. Malaki. 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 Malaki ang bahay mo. Wala bang mas malaki? Malaki masyado ito. The opposite is maliit. This is small in English. Ma-li-it. Maliit. 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 Maliit pa rin ito. May mas maliit ba? Maliit po ba? These are just some common Filipino adjectives with their opposites. You might find them useful when talking about clothes or shoes with some locals. Now, let's practice the words. This is long. Mahaba. This is short. Maikli. This is thick. Makapal. This translates to thin. Manipis. This is big. Malaki. This translates to small. Maliit. I hope you find these words useful the next time you talk to a local. Try using these words and you'll surely surprise some locals. Thank you for watching.